Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Bite. So, what's top of mind is Amazon's robots. They just deployed their millionth robot throughout their global system. In addition, they believe that the robots will outnumber human employees over time, thus embracing robots. With that said, Amazon does look at this as a people and robots equation, not versus robots. So, for example, in Q1 of 2025, they had around 1.5 million people, and compared to the year prior, is a 3% increase. And probably more importantly, is that they've already upskilled about 50% of their employees to work with these advanced technologies. So, what should we take away from this? Well, number one is we should be looking at automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, and advanced technologies, choosing and selecting what will be most meaningful for your company's success, and coming up with a focused project. In addition, you should be looking at robots and all these advanced technologies as a way to scale output more quickly to meet customer needs and to be successful. It's not, the smaller benefit is labor savings and efficiencies, and it's really not labor savings. What it is scaling up with the same people and or having to hire fewer people to be able to meet your customer needs.